Hi, so I'll just show you quickly what I've done to the Bianchi service. New bar tape, new front wheel bearings, new brakes, and of course they come with new brake pads which work. The head racers, only had to adjust them, they weren't worn out, so they're all back working fine. Seat post out, greased, new rear brake, new pads. On the back I had to fit a smaller cassette, so it's got a 25 cassette because this has got a Veloci small cage, so now the gears actually change fine and will work. New rear wheel bearings plus new bearings in the cassette, new rear tyre, and that's it, all back together. Just going to do a quick road test, make sure it's all right, but looks all good. Look forward to your likes and comments, and ride safe.